Hey, HSEstudy family. Imagine you're in your office, papers scattered when you smell smoke. A small fire sparking near a trash can. You grab the fire extinguisher, ready to pass, pull, aim, squeeze, sweep, but it sputters, and the flames keep growing. Your heart's pounding. What now? I've felt that panic, wondering if I'm doing it right. That's why I'm fired up to share this with you. Welcome to Fire Extinguisher Fail. When pass isn't enough, your guide to handling fire emergencies when your extinguisher lets you down. I'm your safety pal, here to break down pass, its limits, and what to do next. Office workers, homeowners, safety pros, this is for you. Let's keep you safe in 2025. Let's start with a stat that hits hard. In 2023, fires caused $9.7 billion in damage and killed 2,620 people in the U.S., per the National Fire Protection Association. That's thousands of families shattered. Fire extinguishers are awesome for small fires, but they're not magic wands. In 2024, a Chicago worker stopped a tiny office fire with pass, saving $10,000. But when pass fails, you need a plan B. This video's your lifeline to stay cool and safe, no matter what. Ready to dive in? First, let's cover the pass method, the go-to for using fire extinguishers. PASS stands for pull the pin, aim at the fire's base, squeeze the trigger, and sweep side to side. It's designed for small, contained fires like a burning trash can or a smoldering outlet. Extinguishers aren't a catch-all, though. You need smoke detectors, escape plans, and sprinklers, per OSHA's 29 CFR 191.0.157. Different types exist. Class A for paper or wood, Class B for liquids, Class C for electrical fires. A 2024 Texas worker used a Class C extinguisher on a sparking machine, stopping it cold. Know your extinguisher, it's your first line of defense. But here's the deal. Fire extinguishers have limits. They've got a short range, 6 to 20 feet, and only last 10 to 20 seconds. Big fires, they're no match. If flames are taller than you or spreading fast, your extinguisher's outgunned. Wrong type? Disaster. Using a Class A on an electrical fire can make it worse. User errors like aiming too high or standing too close cut effectiveness. In 2024, a Florida office worker's Class B extinguisher failed on a grease fire, costing $15,000. And if it's not maintained, low pressure, clogged nozzle, it's useless. A 2024 X post from FireSafe USA warned about expired extinguishers failing in a pinch. Know these limits or you're fighting blind. What happens when pass fails? If the fire's too big, say flames licking the ceiling, your extinguisher won't cut it. Wrong extinguisher, like using Class A on a computer fire, can spark or spread flames. Mess up pass, maybe you didn't pull the pin fully or aimed at the flame's top, and you're wasting time. In 2024, a Georgia worker tried pass on a massive warehouse fire, but the extinguisher ran dry, forcing a $50,000 evacuation. If it's not working, don't play hero. Your life's worth more than a failed attempt. That's when you switch gears, fast. So, what's beyond pass? Step 1. Call 911 immediately. Don't wait. Seconds count. In 2024, a California worker's quick 911 call brought firefighters to a shop blaze, saving her team. Step 2. Evacuate. Get everyone out using your fire escape plan. Check doors for heat before opening. Hot means find another way. Step 3. If it's safe, contain the fire. Close doors and windows to starve it of oxygen, but don't risk your life. A 2024 Oregon worker shut a storeroom door, slowing a fire and saving $20,000 in damage. Your safety's priority? Get out, stay out, let pros handle it. Preventing fires is where you win. Keep smoke detectors working. Test them monthly, change batteries yearly. In 2023, 60% of fire deaths happened in homes without working alarms, per NFPA. Build a fire escape plan. 2 exits per room, a meeting spot outside. Practice it twice a year, takes 10 minutes, saves lives. A 2024 New York family's drill got them out in under 2 minutes. Cut hazards, unplug appliances, store flammables safely, and don't overload outlets. A 2024 Ohio worker swapped a frayed cord, preventing a $5,000 fire. Prevention's your best extinguisher. Use it. Let's wrap with a promise. Fire extinguishers are great, but you're the real hero. Knowing PASS, its limits, and what to do when it fails makes you unstoppable. I'm so proud of you for stepping up. It's personal for me, knowing you're ready for anything. Your challenge. This week, check one fire extinguisher at home or work. Is it the right type? Pressurized? Share your win at HSEstudy.in, where you'll find free fire safety guides. Pass this video to your crew. Let's spark a safety revolution. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join us weekly for more life-saving tips. You're the flame of safety, America. Keep it bright, keep it safe.